Just another sound check. No.
Hi guys, welcome back again to my kitchen and to my channel. This is another requested recipe that you guys wanted me to cook. Chicken wings, fast, easy and simple. I'm going to show you another way how I make chicken wings. So tasty. Come on, let's go.
You don't remember where you're coming from. You don't remember where you're coming from. You don't remember where you're coming from. Rastafari. Why you turn your back on your brother when him need you? You don't remember the days when him feed you. You know when no obligation but to him some respect. All you need to do is just give him one if you get turn your back on your brother when him need you.
First, you're going to need your chicken wings. For this recipe, of course, you're making chicken wings. You're going to need some cornstarch, honey, salt and black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, fresh garlic, of course, and some Jamaican all-purpose season. Now, if you don't have Jamaican all-purpose season, go for chicken season or any season of your choice, and a little bit of fresh parsley. Don't use the dried parsley for this recipe. Get yourself some fresh parsley or rosemary or anything like that, but you're going to need some kind of fresh veggies to go with this. Let's get all this together. Now, this is your very first step. Let's get started into making one of the best honey garlic chicken wings you could ever have in your Jamaican kitchen. Now, I have my chicken wings there that has been washed with vinegar and lemon juice. You want to make sure you let that sit in that little lemon juice liquid and the salt and stuff for a few minutes and make it. So you're going to add 3 tablespoons of that cornstarch to it. And with clean hands, you want to go in and just mix this together. And sit this aside for about 15 minutes. Not too long because I'm hungry. Alright, now I have my pot on the fire and the oil is in there. Enough oil, and the oil is hot. You're going to go ahead and put your wings in, and you're going to fry these bad boys between medium heat. You don't want to put it on high heat because you're going to burn up this thing. Now, when I'm making this particular recipe, you don't want to over fry your wings because you don't want it to be dry. You want it to be nice and juicy. So this wings is going to take a total of 10 minutes to fry. 5 minutes on one side and 5 minutes on the other side, and your wings done. These are looking pretty good. Just the way I want them. Nice and golden brown. Not golden black. I want them to be nice and juicy on the inside. Just go ahead and just turn them occasionally. But you don't want this to pass 10 minutes. And don't leave the pot because you don't want to burn up the thing. Now it's time to make that good butter garlic sauce for this chicken wings. I have my pot on the fire and I'm going to add my butter to it. Now, the more butter, the better for me with this recipe. You want to add enough garlic to this. A lot of fresh garlic. Now, make this come to a melt. You want to make sure that that thing is bubbling. It starts to bubble. And as soon as that thing starts to bubble, you want to add your parsley in there. Like I said before, I love to use fresh parsley for this recipe, but if you don't have fresh parsley at hand, just use some dried one. You'll be alright still. You want to add some honey. Mix that all in there. The more butter, the better. So if you want to even add some more butter to it, you can go ahead, because the more butter you put to this recipe is the better those chicken is going to taste. Another great recipe that was fast, was easy, and it was simple. Don't forget to like. Give this video a thumbs up, man. Let me know where you want to see me cooking in my kitchen next. And as always, from my kitchen to your kitchen, enjoy! I'm gonna let this cook for a good 30 minutes on medium heat. Cover it up nice and make it simmer. And when it's done simmer, a time for we eat. So see you back in a few minutes.
So this is in with your foundation, full coverage, you know, like bam. And last but not least, the last thing I tend to go for in my makeup collection is this palette right here. Let me show you what this baby looks like. It has a whole bunch of concealers. I believe it's $10 for this palette.